Introducing the Advin Health Care Angio Kit, a comprehensive and procedure-ready solution designed to support safe, efficient, and accurate diagnostic angiography procedures. This complete kit brings together essential accessories required during vascular imaging, helping clinicians achieve clear visualization and smooth procedural control. The Advin Health Care Angio Kit is engineered to ensure reliable vascular access, controlled contrast delivery, and effective pressure management throughout angiographic procedures. Each component is manufactured using high-quality medical-grade materials and complies with international safety and performance standards. A key component of the kit is the Angiography Y connector with hemostatic valve, which allows smooth guide wire and catheter manipulation while minimizing blood loss. The rotating valve design ensures secure sealing without restricting device movement, supporting continuous procedural flow. The kit also includes high-pressure extension lines, designed to safely handle contrast injection under controlled pressure. These extension lines provide flexibility and secure connections, reducing the risk of leakage during contrast delivery. An inflation or pressure monitoring device supports accurate pressure control when required, allowing clinicians to monitor and manage intravascular pressure efficiently. The transparent components enable clear visualization of blood flow and contrast movement during the procedure. The Advin Health Care Angio Kit supports compatibility with standard angiographic catheters, guide wires, and imaging systems. Its coordinated design reduces preparation time, improves workflow efficiency, and enhances clinician confidence in the cath lab or interventional suite. Designed primarily for single-use application, the kit ensures sterility and reduces the risk of cross-contamination between patients. Each component undergoes strict quality inspection to deliver consistent performance and dependable clinical results. At Advin Health Care, our focus is on delivering advanced vascular solutions that enhance diagnostic accuracy and procedural safety. Trusted by healthcare professionals worldwide, the Angio Kit offers precision, reliability, and seamless performance across a wide range of angiographic procedures.